Hey everybody, Alan Butler here with Butler Contracting, where we're doing simple better. And today we just want to talk a little bit about solar gate operators. What the heck is a solar gate operator? Well, that's a great question. We hear it called lots of different things. We call it a gate operator. It could be an automatic gate, it could be solar powered, it could be hardwired. At any rate, a lot of people have gates in their property. They want to stay secured and they want it to automatically open and close so they don't have to get those hot mitts out and oven mitts to open the gate during the middle of a Texas summer. And they definitely don't want to have to get out of the car and open the gate when it's pouring down rain. So today we're going to talk about a few options for you. Just some different options that are out there on the market, what might be good, what might be bad, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So maybe you've gotten a new gate or a new fence, or maybe you've recently moved into a property, or you've just been exploring the idea of having an automatic gate over the years. Well, you've come to the right place, because today we're going to talk about 3 options that are great and 3 options that might not be so great. So, number 1, the first and foremost thing to know with the gate operator system, especially if you're going with solar, make sure it's in a location that's going to be conducive to work for you. It's got to have some light, obviously, right? So we need some sunlight to power that solar charger. If you have a lot of shade in the area, it probably will still work in most of the year in Texas. Some of the challenges or problems you might have is during the winter time when there's shorter days, less light, overcast, cloudy conditions. You might have some times where that gate operator won't work or the battery is going to drain because it's not getting charged as well. But in general, they work very well in our area here in Central Texas. So that's the biggest thing, is do you have the right location and the setting for a gate operator to work in your area. Now, there's lots of different options out there when it comes to brands on the market. We're going to talk about a few of the ones that are good to get and some that you want to stay away from. So, brand number 1 I definitely recommend that you look into getting would be a LiftMaster product. They've been making garage door openers and different types of access control systems since the 60s. LiftMaster is a very well established brand. They make good quality stuff. They have great warranties on their products. We recommend putting them in. We like putting them in. It's one of the top brands and most popular brands that we install here at Butler Contracting. So if you're looking for a good system, I would definitely recommend that. It also is compatible with different security system features and some of the technology that's on the market as well. So it can integrate with other things that you might have on the property. Number 2, USAutomatic. Another great product. It is made here in America. Good quality, all-around durable product. Don't really have a lot of bad things to say about them. There are some features that they don't offer with them that LiftMaster may, and some of these other products on the market when it comes to integrating security system features and technology. Your third option would be an Apollo brand gate. And again, these are American-made products, very good quality material. They're usually priced pretty reasonably. They don't always have the features that like LiftMaster and some of these other products do, again with the integration of security. But an overall decent brand would be Apollo, so if you're interested, take a look at that one. I want to spend some time today talking about what not to get and some things to be aware of. So first and foremost, the number 1 brand that we get called about putting in is a Mighty Mule. Do you fix them? Do you repair them? Do you install them? These are off the shelf at most big box stores throughout our area in Central Texas. They're fairly economical to purchase. Some of the problems we find with these products, and one of the reasons that we no longer service them or install them, is because there's a lot of issues with the components to them. We get a lot of brand new out of the box packages. There's transmitters bad, there's motherboards bad, circuit boards, there's all kinds of a host of issues with them. And we just stopped installing them and servicing them altogether because there's too many issues with them. We do not recommend using them. So if you're looking to get a quality brand, I would definitely stick with the LiftMaster, Apollo, or the USAutomatic brands and stay away from a Mighty Mule gate operator system because you're going to have trouble down the road. There's 2 phases of them, working and not working, and that's it. There is no in between. The second option that I would caution, and I say that loosely because I'm not saying these products are bad, they're just newer to the marketplace, and that's ghost control systems. There is a lot of great features to them. They are very heavily integrated with technology. There's a lot of cool features and add-ons and programming and things that you can do with them that are awesome. I'm not saying they're bad by any means. The only reason I put it on the list of things to be cautious about is because they're really made for light duty and residential applications. You cannot use them on a really heavy gate or a really heavy agriculture, industrial, commercial setting when it comes to installing ghost control systems. They're just not made to withstand the cycles per day that that kind of use might have, and the gate systems that they're being hung off of. So if you're looking for if you're a residential homeowner or an ag person that is low use and you're getting that normal 10 to 12 cycles per day usage, this would be a great system with a lot of cool features. So check it out. The third options that we don't recommend, please do not go on Amazon or some kind of a foreign website or a website that has these products and order them, buy them, purchase them, and then call us to install them, because we're not going to do it. Because what you're going to find is these things don't work, they don't hold up well. And what ends up happening a lot of times, just like I talked about with the Mighty Mule ones, a lot of the components are bad straight out of the box. They get them from similar suppliers. And if anything breaks, they're not sourced here locally in the United States. It's very difficult to get parts. Sometimes it's non-existent to get parts. So you're just getting a disposable unit that you have to throw away and buy another one anyways. And it's a ticking time bomb of whether it's going to work or not work, and when it's going to work, or if it's even going to work when it shows up. So hopefully Amazon has a great return policy on those if they don't work out of the box, and you can ship them back. Otherwise, you're stuck with a heavy paperweight. So those are a few tips on what to get. So just to recap, LiftMaster, USAutomatic, and Apollo gate systems. I would even throw in that fourth one of Ghost Controls if it was right for your situation. I would definitely stay away from Mighty Mules and other foreign brands that are purchased and shipped to your home through internet sites. Buy something that's got quality. Buy something that has a warranty, because you're going to spend less money and time messing with it and calling us out for service calls to try to fix something when you just go with the right stuff to begin with. So I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting, and we'll see you on your next project.